Nice little pulse lower for the bulls to try to grab that pop. Nice little scalper's objective back to the upside. Nice. Again, we're way up in the stratosphere. I can only scalp up here. That's my only choice. But I mean, hey, there will be a couple opportunities along the way to grab the scalps, I guess. Quick 10, 15 tick moves on the Nasdaq, 4, 8 tick moves on the S&P. That's about all that's got built into it right now, at least. S&P continuing to drive back to the upside. So far, we've got, make sure I start this on the right side. There we go. POC is kind of bouncing back and forth here. Nasdaq pulsing down a little bit. An overextension on the Nasdaq down into the 07s would be where a lot of traders probably have stops. That wouldn't really hurt my feelings. But this is gone like bear engulfing now. The S&P is still up at the top. On the Nasdaq, if they get a pulse down to like the 05s, I could see it. Looks like the 09s are bouncing right now. All right. Shifting the POC a little bit, but super even volume around here. Got about little over 1 minute to go on this one. This is a real tight Nasdaq range. I'd like to see them flush down. What'd they get down to? The 04s? 05s. Nice little pulse down into these lows. Ugh, I didn't get the other one. Okay. And the scalp back up to settlement. I really wish I would have got that second contract. That would have been pretty friggin' nice. But okay, sure, whatever. That's good.